Hello, third graders. Welcome back to our lesson on the Southeast region. So we've learned about the land and the water and the climate of the Southeast, that there are the upper parts and the lower parts. The upper part has the Appalachian Mountains, where the lower part has the Gulf beaches, Atlantic beaches, and swamps. We talked about the fact that there is warm and sunny most of the year because of the being close to the equator, and that there are some risks of tornadoes in the upper states and hurricanes or tropical storms in the lower states. Today, we're going to talk about the products and natural resources that come from the Southeast, and you're going to be answering some true-false questions when we're done. Here are the statements to think about as we read today. Natural resources include land, oceans, forests, minerals, and fuels. It is difficult to grow crops in the Southeast. Trees are used to make furniture, lumber, and paper. Water, oil, natural gas, and coal from the Southeast region are all used to create energy for our country. All right, have your reading packet open. I'm on page 3. Also have a highlighter or a pencil ready. As we go through, I'll be telling you some things to highlight or mark in your book. Here we go. The Southeast is rich in natural resources. Natural resources include land, ocean, forest, minerals, and fuels. You might want to highlight that since that is one of our true-false questions. We'll also be talking about natural resources as we go to the other regions. Land was the first natural resource that attracted people to the Southeast. Growing crops and raising animals was the Southeast's largest industry for many years. An industry is all the businesses that produce one kind of good or provide one kind of service. Today, many industries are important to the region, including the coal mining industry, the steel making industry, the lumber industry, and the oil industry. Agriculture, the business of growing crops and raising animals, is an important business in the Southeast. The Southeast is good for growing crops because of its flat land, rich soil, and long growing season. I would highlight that sentence. Southern farmers can grow crops for most of the year. Everyone loves Georgia's peaches and Florida's citrus fruits. Other farmers produce rice, cotton, tobacco, sugarcane, and peanuts. Because it produces so many food products, the Southeast has also become a center for food processing, which is the process of making it into other things. On the left here is a peanut plant. I bet you didn't know that peanuts grew on a plant like this. Because it grows so much cotton, the Southeast is the center of our country's textile industry. Many Southerners work in cotton mills and textile factories. They make yarn, cloth, and carpets. And here is a picture of a cotton plant. Trees are also raised as a crop. In North Carolina, trees are used to make furniture. More than half of the furniture sold in the United States is made in High Point, North Carolina. In Georgia, Arkansas, and Alabama, people use trees to produce lumber and paper. You might want to highlight or note that sentence as it's one of our true-false questions. Much of our country's energy is produced in the Southeast. Again, you might want to note that sentence. The Gulf Coast produces oil and natural gas, a very important resource. Many people work on oil rigs in the Gulf of Mexico. And that is what this is a picture of. It is an oil rig in the Gulf of Mexico. At the foot or the base of the Appalachian Mountains, moving water is used to make electricity. People in the Appalachian Mountains mine coal, which is used to create energy too. Limestone and iron come from other mines in this region. At the only public diamond mine in the world, Crater of Diamonds, you can search for diamonds. You might want to underline in this paragraph the sentences about the oil rigs, mining coal, and diamonds, as those questions may come up later. All right, next time I see you, we're going to be talking about the landmarks in the Southeast region.